Today I am going to tell you how to make a free professional email signature in this video. First of all, we have to know what is the email signature. Email signature is a block of text or image that is automatically added at the end of our email message. It typically includes sender's contact information such as the name, title, company's phone number, etc. I tell you here two methods how to create a free email signature here. One is a very simple method. You can make in just one click or a few times. Next is a little advanced but totally free and very user friendly email signature. First of all, log in your email and go to email and you click this you click the setting option or the setting here and click see all setting option. Scroll down and go to signature. I will see his signature. Yes, and click create new and type your name of signature, and just I want to type here my NURM normal SIGNATUR signature, and then click on create. You can include your information in this box. I want to type. If you want to include the photos, you click here insert image options. You can upload and select the file. I want to include these pictures. Here is my picture. Yeah, the picture is very big, so if you want to decrease the size, just click on pictures and click on a small. Yeah, and this way we can make a small sign. If you want to include your Facebook profile address or the Twitter address, you just click here and go to start to type here face Conveys .edu education. To make a link, select it and just create a link. Click here. Yes, in this way we can submit the information of scroll and go to signature default. For new email use, click the down arrow and choose your signature name. My signature name is a normal signature, and if you want to visible your email at the reply and forward time, you can use that same options. Yes, and then click school and click on save change. The process has been done. Start to compose. Just click compose. You see the text informations which you made here. In this way we can make it easily. It's one simple methods. I show you next little advanced and the best professional email signature method. For that, go to Google's and you just type UFRA free email SIGNATU signature GIMO GINNIO and press enter and click this first link game.io and then click new signature options. You will see a lot of templates which you want to include in your email. I just show you this simple. I just click here. You will see the preview of this email signature. If you want to use this, click apply. Yes, here is the informations of email signature, and you can edit from this site, or you can directly double click at that text and you can edit. For example, you want to edit this, double click here and you will see the name and click down option. You just delete it and click down. Yes, for mobile numbers, double click here, and this way, and then click down options. And for change the pictures, double click on pictures and then remove these pictures, remove on it and choose an image. Click on choose located file. I want to use this picture, so click on open. Yes, and click on down. For decrease the size, you click this point and drag left side slowly. That will make a small. Control it. And for your image shape, you can use this second line. I click here and drag right side of this scale. It's making circle. Yeah, that's fine. If I want a little breaks, yeah, it's fine. Yes. After then, click on done. If you want to edit, you just double click and you can change from here. And these are the social media links. If you want to include it, just I show you one or two. I just click or double click here, and then you will see here field hyperlink options. Just I want to include my office Facebook information, so go to your Facebook profile and Control C, and then I just want to paste here, Control V, paste and click on done. Not want to include this Google's, just click on, double click on here and then go to icon mode, down arrow and choose non options. Yes, it's invisibles from here, and then I want to invisible it LinkedIn too, so I double click here and then click and here and choose none. Yes, and I want to include my Twitters, so I double click here and go to Twitter's account and Twitter profiles. I click my profile link and Control C, copy and go to signature, and then click here and paste it and then click on done. To insert any links, just again you double click here. I want to use this Twitter link in my pictures, and then you just click here and click on done. If someone click in your picture, your Twitter link will be displayed. After submitting your details, just click in this install your signature options. Yes, then I want to click here. Yeah, you will see your email signature has been copied to your clipboard. This kind of message will be displayed. After then you go to your email and then click again setting and go to see all setting option. You scroll and scroll down and go to email signature. Now I want to delete this my previous email signature, so I want to delete it and delete. Yes, again click create options and type email signature name. Professional, yes, IGMATY signature, and click on create, and just click on Control V or right click and paste. Yeah, your all informations has a display here. Yeah, and you have to delete this option because it is not necessary for your. It is the link of Gmail, so delete it. Click here and delete it. Delete. Yes, you scroll here and then setting this signature default options. For new email, use down, click on down arrow and choose professional signature, and then on reply or the forward use options, click down arrow and choose professional signature, and then scroll and click on save change options. Yes, the process has been completed and you start to compose your emails. When you click these options, yeah, your all informations will be see here. In this way we can create and use email signature. Sometimes if you not want to include your this email signature, you just click this insert email signature and then click on here and you can choose no email signature. If you do it, your email signature will be disabled. In this way we can use email signature